Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer media cache settings in Premiere Pro for performance. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. Navigate to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Select Preferences from the drop-down list. Click on Media Cache in the Preferences window. Here, you will see options for caching and storage. First, check the location of your current media cache. Take note of the file path shown in the Media Cache Files section. Now, decide where you want to transfer your cache. Create a new folder in your desired location for better organization. Once you have the new folder ready, return to the Media Cache Preferences. Click on Browse next to the Media Cache Files location. Navigate to the new folder you just created. Select the new folder and click Choose. Next, do the same for the Media Cache Database location. Click on Browse next to the Media Cache Database. Select the same new folder you created, and click Choose. After setting the new locations, click OK to apply the changes. Premiere Pro may prompt you to restart the application. Close and reopen Premiere Pro for the changes to take effect. To confirm the transfer, revisit the Media Cache Preferences. Make sure the new paths are correctly displayed. Now, you have successfully transferred your media cache settings. This will help enhance your performance while working in Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.